MGM Eye Institute, specialized care service par excellence, automated lensometer and its procedure. Lensometer is the only instrument to verify prescribed spectacle power in an accurate way. It is the most standard method to measure spectacle power as well as contact lens power. Lensometer measurements are easy to perform and accurate in most clinical situations. Now parts: color LCD monitor, indicator, marking lever, nose pad, lens plate, printer, operation switch, lens holder, lens stand, memory or add switch, UV measurement switch. Now coming to history. Lensometer was introduced by Edgar Derry Tiller on behalf of the American Optical Company in 1921. Automated lensometer is based on Humphrey off-axis principle. Now coming to calibration. Check the lens stand is set properly. Check that the lens under the stand is clean. Plug the power cord to the outlet. Set the printer paper in a printer. Check that no lenses are placed on the stand. Measurement of single vision lenses. To check the power of single vision lens, first of all, we have to put the lens in the lens holder. Holding the lens aligned with its optical axis. In this way, we can see the lens is having the power of minus 5.75 diopter spherical with minus 2 diopter cylinder at an axis of 20 degree. Now, if we want to record, we need to press the memory button once to record. Now, to record the left lens, we have to shift the nose pad switch of the lensometer so the left lens power can be calculated. Place the lens with the help of lens holder, hold and align it. Here we get the left lens power as minus 5.75 diopter spherical with minus 2 diopter cylinder at an angle of 160 degree. Now again, by pressing memory once, we can record the power. Here we can see the right and left both side power is visible here. Now we can also print the power by pressing the 6th operation switch. The print will automatically come out. Now we can see here both the right and left side power is mentioned here. Measurement of bifocal lenses. To check the power of bifocal lenses, first of all we have to shift the nose pad switch to the right side so that we can measure right lens power. Now we have to hold the lens with the help of lens holder. This is the stand holder. If we push it upside, this will fall downward and hold the lens. Here we can see the lens is fixed. Now we have to align. Here we can see in the screen alignment OK appears. After that we get minus 1.50 diopter spherical with minus 0.75 diopter cylinder at an axis of 10 degree. To record it, we need to press the memory button once. After adding the memory, if we want to know the addition power, press the memory switch again. Here, addition column appears on the screen. To find out the addition power, we have to displace the lens to near zone. then we get the addition of plus 2.5 diopter. Again, we have to press the memory button to record. Now we have to push the lens stand up. To find out the left lens power, we have to slide the lens nose pad and repeat the same procedure. Measurement of progressive lens. To open progressive mode, we need to press operation switch number 2. By pressing operation switch number 2, we can change to single vision mode, bifocal mode and progressive mode too. Now we have to hold the lens with the help of lens holder, and here we can see we are getting -1 diopter spherical with -0.50 diopter cylinder at an axis of 180 degree. For proper alignment, in this case, for progressive lenses, we have to strictly follow LCD screen direction, otherwise we will not get appropriate axis and power. Now, for checking near addition, we need to press memory switch once and drag the lens downward in near zone. Here we can see the near addition is +3 diopter. Measurement of pupillary distance. For measuring pupillary distance in progressive lens, in lensometer there is a lens place which needs to push so that the lens plate comes outward. Now the left side of the nose pad is held in this way to measure the right lens pupillary distance. Here we have to hold the lens and align it. Here we can see the right PD is showing 32 mm. Again we have to press the memory switch to record the PD. Now we need to perform the same procedure for calculating left PD. Since the left lens has planar power and its PD is showing 31.5 mm. Checking ultraviolet ray transmission. In bottom side of the lensometer, there is a switch for UV transmission measurement. We need to press the UV switch to proceed further. So here in this screen we can see there is 100% UV transmission. To check whether the goggles has UV protection or not, we need to place the goggle in the lensometer. Here we can see in the screen the goggle is not 100% UV protected. Since it is showing 40% transmission, that means the goggles has 60% UV protection. This is the grey jack goggle which is 100% UV protected lens. Now we are going to check the UV transmission. Here we can see this is showing 0% transmission. This means that this lens is 100% UV protected. Thank you for listening.